morning all of you. Welcome to STPS student. How are you all? I hope you all are well. Today I will teach you how to make a different type of artwork. Let us start to work. I will teach you how to make a bird drawing. Okay, and I will use this is a plain paper and you will use your drawing file. Okay, and I will use this is a black marker pen and you will use a pencil. Then you will use a black marker pen. Okay, so let's start to work. So first I will draw a bird. Like this. Like this. This is a bird and this is a tree branch, like this, and this is a leaf, like this. Okay, and this bird drawing is complete. Okay, and now I will fill a color. So first I will use this is a dark brown color. Okay, and first I will use a dark brown color, then I will use a light brown color, and then I will use a yellow color and orange color. I will use these colors. Okay, so let us start to work. So this is a dark brown color. Like this. And I will make an outline. Like this, and this is a tree branch and I will fill this brown color like this, and this brown color outline is done. Okay, and now I will use a light brown color. Okay, so this is a light brown color and I will make a outline, light brown color outline. Like this. Like this. Okay, this is orange color. like this. Like this. This is a orange color. Like this. And now I will use this is a yellow color, and I will fill a yellow color. In this side. Like this. And this bird drawing is complete, and this is a orange color. And I will make a shade. This is a orange color shade, like this. Okay, and I will make a shade in this side. And this is a orange shade. And this bird drawing is complete. Okay, and now I will use this is a bird. Is this complete, and this is a light green color, and I will fill a light green color. This is a leaf, like this. Like this. This is a bird drawing is complete. Okay, and now I will use a blue color, and now I will make this is a background. This is a blue color background, like this. And this is a orange color, and I will fill a orange color in this beak, like this. And this drawing is complete. This is a bird drawing is complete. Okay children? Okay children, bye bye.